Good morning, everyone, and thanks for hanging out with me. I got 2 emails that I'm excited about, but I didn't get one email that I'm desperately need. So I didn't get the email on when to get the Kona, and I still don't have a schedule or anything. I have no idea. Maybe it's in 2 months. I really have no idea. But I got 2 emails that I think could be very exciting. So I got an email from Hyundai. I emailed them, so is your car CCS2? Can it really charge 100 kilowatt, or is it all limited to CCS1 standard where you can only have a limit of 200 amps current? That means 71 kilowatt. And I asked them that, and they said yes, you can charge it with 100 kilowatt. You need the CC2 charger. They call it the Porsche chargers, but it needs cooled cables so that the cable can withstand the more than 200 amps of current, and then it should work. It's not the car that's limiting, it's the charger. And so I said, okay, I'm pretty sure that the Ionity chargers, the 350 kilowatt chargers that are meant for the new Porsche Taycan and that are built by the German car makers, Volkswagen, Porsche, BMW, I don't even know if Mercedes is in there, I have no idea. But I was pretty sure, since those cars will be on the street not for a while, that those chargers are not cooled yet, because those just needs energy. And I thought, why would they do that? And so I thought, well, then it won't be able to charge that fast until those cars are out. So I emailed Ionity and asked them, okay, so I want to charge the Kona at Mondsee, your charger there, where they have 4 chargers that can charge with 350 kilowatt if your battery is at 800 volt. And they emailed me back yesterday, and I was totally surprised. I said, hello, thank you for your email, blah 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 blah. Yes, the chargers at Mondsee are already activated cooled cables, so they can output more than 200 amps. And your Kona, if the surroundings, temperature, blah blah blah, are okay, state of charge, then you should be able to reach the maximum charging speed. And so of course I'm excited, because I really want to see that, I want to film that. I don't think that right now nobody has filmed that, but only a few people have the car. And I don't think that the car is at dealerships for a long period. I think that Hyundai is behind on the Kona. And so I'm excited, and I really hope I get the car soon. I can do all the tests that I want to do, film them and show them to you, because it's really exciting. It's an amazing car. I'm so excited about this car. I want it. And I'm working on pre-production and everything, planning. I have lots of time for that, because I'm waiting for it for 2 months already. So hopefully get it soon. Really excited. Can't wait. It's getting a bit on my nerves. Manual, I read it again. Just details, and I found a lot of stuff that I'm pretty sure some people don't even know without reading the manual in detail, because it's one sentence at the end somewhere, and like, it's a great feature. why is this not big and a headline and everything? No. So stay tuned, watch my other videos. Thank you. Subscribe, share, or like, whatever. Thank you very much. Have a great day and take care.